Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on TikTok. It really doesn't matter if you are using iPhone or Android because the process will be same, pretty much same. First of all, of course, you need to open the TikTok application and go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon in the top right corner. And now you need to tap on these three bars in the top right corner and simply go for the last option, settings and privacy. Now when you are here, you can see the third option, security and permissions. Tap on it. And now you can see this two-step verification. Tap on it and simply tap on this turn on. By the way, you can select how you want to proceed, like you can select your phone, you will receive a verification code via SMS, or through email you will receive a verification code at your email or the authenticator application or password, whatever you want. So simply I'm going for this phone through a code via SMS. Tap on turn on, then simply enter your number, tap on this continue, and now you will receive an code. As you can see, it will autofill, and now our two-step verification is turned on and you are good to go. Now as you can see, our two-step verification is on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.